Everybody, Sharon here with LNA Little Flowers. Thought I'd switch it up a little bit. I'm actually going to cook something today. So I've made these before, but I made it with a buffalo sauce, and it was very, very mild. But I got this one. This is what they had. So we'll see. We'll see how it works. So for this recipe, I am making baked buffalo chicken taquitos. My kids really liked them, so I'm going to do it again. I doubled the recipe. So for this recipe, we'll need shredded chicken. I did a family pack of chicken in Instapot last night. And yeah, that was really easy. Then I need some said fajita flour tortillas, and there's those. I have 3 packages. If I need more, I'll have to make a quick dash to the store. This recipe, buffalo wing sauce. They used Frank's. I don't know if my family can handle that heat, so we'll just go with the regular ranch dressing and cream cheese and shredded sharp shredded cheddar. Okay, so calls for 3 cups shredded chicken. 3 cups shredded chicken. I have 6 cups in here. Let's see. 1/3 cup ranch dressing. Okay. Alright, be right back. I put 8 ounces of cream cheese in here, and I melted it so it would be smooth. So now I'm going to put in, let's see, this calls for 1/3 cup ranch dressing and 1/4 cup buffalo wing sauce. All I can find is a 1/3 cup, and that's what we'll use. Alright, okay, so I need a 1/4 cup, so I'm just going to do a little bit shy of a 1/3 cup, right? That looks good. This smells hot. So I need 2 of these. Okay. And now a 1/3 cup. So that does not sound good. Okay. Yikes. Okay. Yep. Just dropped off the kids to school. Well, from Christmas break. Have laundry going. So yeah. Good morning. Okay, what else do I need? I need 1.5 cups sharp. So I need 3 cups. Okay, let's see if I can get this. Wow. I have allergies, and that smell is clearing my sinuses. That's potent stuff. That's buffalo sauce. Yep. But my kids kind of like spicy things. Me, not so much. So, there's that. Yes, I have allergies right now. It's not fun. Okay, so I need 3 cups of cheese. Okay, so I really should be doing this because the cheese is going to get everywhere. Okay, so there's one. There's two. Yikes. I don't recommend trying to do this with one hand. I'm just saying. I could end up regretting it. Like me. Okay, so there's that. There's 3 cups. And look at my cheese mess. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me clean this up and I will stir that and we'll come back to that point. Okay. Oh, one escaped me. Okay. Okay. Clean counter. Mixed this up. So, yummy. Okay, now I'm going to put this into the chicken. Okay. And then we're supposed to put 2 heaping tablespoons of chicken filling down this, filling down the edge of each tortilla. Roll tightly and place on a prepared cooking sheet. Spray and sprinkle lightly with kosher salt. Okay, so I think we can do that. Okay, so I'm going to put this into here and give it a mix, and because good thing I wiped that down. All right, I will clean that up and be back. Okay, so this is probably a little bit more than 2 heaping tablespoons, but whatever. This is supposed to make 12 fajitas. I mean, not fajitas, taquitos. And so I should at least get 24, right? Unless I do a little bit bigger. So I'm going to say 20 to 24. So I got that. And roll a little bit tight. Right? Okay. And then on a prepared cookie sheet. I need a new one. Okay, so I will, fill this up. We'll see how many it makes. Okay. I am now out of cookie spray. So I melted some butter and I'm just gonna go over the tops with these. I mean, because really that's, buffalo chicken anyway, right? Is butter. So as I'm slopping it everywhere. And these are all seam side down, so there's that. So make sure all are seam side down so they don't come undone. Okay, and then we're supposed to sprinkle a little bit of kosher salt. I know it looks like a lot of salt, but it really isn't. It's just thicker salt. Okay, so we bake it at 425 for 12 to 15 minutes. So let's put this in the oven. All right. Okay. We'll do 12 minutes. Okay, 12 minutes. Okay, so here they are out of the oven. I ended up going a full 15. So they look very good. Okay. And I have here another 12. So it made 24. So I did it perfectly. Or perfectly, whatever. Okay. And for the sauce, it said a half cup of ranch dressing with a tablespoon of the buffalo wing sauce. And this stuff that, it's really good. It's not overly spicy. There is a little hint of spice that I can handle. I'm not a spicy person, but I can handle that. And it doesn't leave my throat in hot lava. But it's more peppery, and I like that. So we're going to stir this up. Okay, so I got a spoon. Starting with my left hand, which is awkward. I'm right-handed. Okay, now last time I made this, I made a homemade blue cheese dressing, which was really good. But for today, I'm just going to do this. Okay. Looks good. Okay. So when these cool down, I will come back and you will hear me taste one. And I'll split one, give one half to my husband and see what he thinks. All right. So they're cooled. They're warm. So they're definitely worth eating. I mean, not worth, but capable of eating right this second. So cut one in half. Here, I'll let you have the first one. Are they good?
Mm-hmm.
Really? Oh, wow. Those are really good. I probably wouldn't have used as much salt. Maybe no salt, but butter, definitely a plus. Great. Love it. This is be a nice after school snack for my kids. Otherwise they eat everything else in the house. Alright. Thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. If you feel like it, leave a comment below. This recipe will be linked below. And as always, happy crafting, everybody. Later.